Now that you've subscribed to a few feeds, it's time to start reading your blogs and organizing your subscriptions. All of your subscriptions appear at the left side of your Google Reader screen. If the name of a feed appears in boldface type, it indicates that you have new posts to read, and the number in parentheses shows how many posts are new. When you click on the name of a post, it opens on the right side of the screen. This is the default view, and it's called the expanded view. It allows you to quickly read each post. If you want to go to the actual website for the blog, you just click on the headline or the name of the post. So I'm going to go out to actual Bud the Teacher blog. And the blog will open in a new window in Internet Explorer. So to get back to my Google Reader, I just close the window and I'm back at Google Reader. Notice that as you scroll down through the posts in expanded view, the number of unread posts decreases as you pass each individual post. A second way to view your feeds is in List View. To get to List View, click on the List tab at the upper right corner of the page. This view, the items are shown as a list of all the posts. And in this view, the items that are in bold are the ones that have not been read. In this case, I don't have any unread items in Bud the Teacher. But if I go to my fishbowl, the first 8 posts are in bold, indicating that they haven't been read yet. In this view, the items are shown as a list of headlines and allows you to quickly scan the feed's updates. To read the entire post, you just click on the headline and it will take you to the expanded view of that particular post. And if you want to go out to the website, you click on the name of the post itself. So you have expanded view and list view at the top right of your page. You toggle back and forth between the two of those. Now, as you add more feeds to your list of subscriptions, you'll want to organize them into folders. To create my first folder, I'm going to select one of my feeds, select the fishbowl, and I'm going to click on the little triangle that appears at the right, and it will give me a pop-up menu. And I'm going to choose New Folder because I want to create a folder to store the fishbowl blog subscription. I'm going to click New Folder, and I'm going to name this folder 21st Century Learning, and click OK. And you'll notice now that I have a folder here named 21st Century Learning. The fishbowl is already in that folder. Now, if I want to move another blog into that folder, there are a couple of ways I can do it. 2 cents worth is one that I want in the 21st Century Learning folder. One way I can add it is to click again on the triangle that appears at the right. And now my 21st Century Learning folder is listed there. So I can click on that, and it automatically puts that blog into that folder. Weblogged is another blog that I want in my 21st Century Learning folder. Another way I can get it in there is to just drag this down into the 21st Century Learning folder. Now I want to create another folder called Educational Technology, and Bud the Teacher is one that is going to go in that folder. So I want to click on the triangle to the right of the name of the blog, click New Folder, name it, click OK, and Bud the Teacher is now in my Educational Technology folder. Free Technology for Teachers is another blog that I want to store in that folder, so I can either drag it down to the folder, or I can use my pull-down menu and click on Educational Technology, and it will be in that folder. The last folder I'm going to create is one called Personal Interests for my genealogy and my cooking blog. I'm going to create new folder, name it Personal Interests. Click OK. And now my genealogy blog is in that folder, and Smitten Kitchen, which is my cooking blog, I'm just going to drag down to that folder. One other way that you can manage your subscriptions is to click on the Manage Subscriptions button at the lower left, and you'll come to a window like this that lists all of your subscriptions. And right now you can see that 2 cents worth is in my 21st Century Learning folder, but if I wanted to change folders, I could do that at this location as well. This is also where I can delete a blog from my subscriptions or unsubscribe by clicking on the trash can. And I'm going to go back to Google Reader, and that we were in Manage Subscriptions to look at all of your subscriptions at one time. So that's a quick overview of how to read your posts and kind of get your feeds organized within your folders.